My name is Meeke.
And more ātara Winton School, I'm Hunter. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā Upper, the 10th of December.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to all students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder this term, you must wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes.
And a quick note about returning sport gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and playtime. Thanks!
Health and safety news. We still need ice packs returned to the office, please. And a friendly reminder to walk your bikes and scooters through school. Thank you.
Library news. All of your books are due back. If you haven't got them in, get cracking.
Te Kupu o te Wiki. This week's word is whariha kinakina, which is te reo for gym, as in lifting weights and getting fit.
Ka pai. Okay, thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Remember to tune in next Monday for our own end of term wrap up with interviews and highlights from the term. Haere rā, Winton School.